Imagine running a marathon at an age when most people are slowing down. Now, meet some of the world's oldest marathon runners. These incredible individuals prove that age is just a number. First, let's talk about Fauja Singh. Born in 1911, Fauja didn't start running until he was 89. Yes, you heard that right. At 100 years old, he completed the Toronto Waterfront Marathon. Fauja's secret? A vegetarian diet and a daily fitness regime. He says, "Running gives me life." Now on to Harriet Thompson. Harriet ran her first marathon at 76 and didn't stop there. At 92, she became the oldest woman to ever complete a marathon, finishing the San Diego Rock and Roll Marathon. Her motivation? Raising funds for cancer research. Harriet showed that it's never too late to start something new. Next, meet Ed Whitlock. Ed broke multiple age group records, including running a sub-3-hour marathon at 70. At 85, he became the oldest person to run a marathon in under 4 hours. Ed's philosophy was simple: run every day and enjoy it. Finally, let's not forget Gladys Burrell, also known as the Gladiator. At 92, she completed the Honolulu Marathon. She started marathon running in her 80s, proving it's never too late to find your passion. Her advice? Just keep moving. These incredible athletes redefine what's possible. They inspire us to push beyond our limits and never let age define our capabilities. So what's your excuse? Get out there and chase your dreams. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.